Hi friends, today let's see how we can prepare chapati which will remain soft for a very long time without the use of any oil or ghee. Before checking the recipe, if you are new to the channel, do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Let's check the recipe now. First, in order to prepare soft chapati, first let's boil around 2 glasses of water. Here I am taking 2 cups of wheat flour. To this add half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well. Now add the hot water little at a time and mix well with a fork or spoon. Add water until there is no dry powder left. Now let this cool a bit and then mix it well and knead the dough with the hand. While kneading, the dough should be such that it should not be sticking to the hand but it should be soft. If the dough is sticky, then add a little bit of flour and knead again. The dough is soft and kneaded well. Now let's prepare medium-sized balls out of this. Now to prepare chapati, dust the surface with a little bit of flour. Gently pat the ball with a hand and ensure that both the sides are dusted with flour. Now let's roll this into the chapati. Do not use too much pressure while rolling. This makes the middle thin and sides thicker. Our aim is to have same thickness throughout. That's why keep rolling on the sides by giving a little bit of pressure. If you find the chapati sticking to the surface or rolling pin, then dust it with a little bit of flour. Repeat the same until the chapati is prepared with all the dough. Now let's heat the chapati. For that, take a pan and let it get a bit heated before adding the chapati. Once the pan is a bit hot, add the chapati and leave it on for some time. Once small bubbles start appearing, turn the chapati to the other side. Once the other side heats a bit, we can apply pressure by using the ladle. If you like the taste of ghee or oil on your chapati, then at this point you can add it into the chapati and spread it on both the sides. Now our chapati is cooked. Let's repeat the same for all the chapatis. You can see how nicely and soft it is. This will remain soft for a long time and we have not used any ghee or oil to this. So it is very helpful if you want to prepare in the morning and pack it for the lunch. Do try the recipe and let us know in the comment section. If you like the recipe, click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.